plans to address the nation tomorrow night about his decision to not continue his campaign for re-election and will be meeting with Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu on Thursday. Democratic Senator Bob Menendez of New Jersey plans to resign his Senate seat effective August 20th. Menendez's political support collapsed after he was convicted on multiple corruption charges. He faces sentencing in October. Global news 24 hours a day and whenever you want it. Bloomberg News Now. I'm Amy Morris, and this is Bloomberg.
Wall Street prepares for the latest read on inflation.
Supercore PCE, what Powell cares about.
What will the numbers mean for next week's Fed meeting?
The Fed has made a big move pushing inflation down.
Instant reaction on Bloomberg Surveillance.
The market moves futures
For inflation in focus. Friday morning at 5:30.
Lower inflationary environment we're seeing.
Listen on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business. Context changes everything.
Interactive Brokers charges USD margin loan rates from 5.83% to 6.83%, rated the lowest margin fees by stockbrokers.com. Their clients can also earn extra income by lending their fully paid shares of stock. Join Interactive Brokers clients from 200 plus countries and territories to invest in stocks, options, futures, funds, and bonds on 150 global markets. Rates subject to change. Learn more at ibkr.com/compare. Life can be full of risks. One thing you shouldn't take a risk with ever is your family's health insurance. If you're self-employed or you now need affordable health insurance, you need to make this free call right now and see how the Health Insurance Helpline can help you get it. We specialize in helping the self-employed and people just like you that need affordable health insurance to get it. We have short and long-term health insurance plans, and some even cover dental, vision, and prescription drugs. Don't take a risk with your family's health insurance. It's not worth it. If you're self-employed or now need affordable health insurance, call right now and learn for free how to get it. Listen, affordable health insurance plans for everyone just like you are a free phone call away. So give us a shout right now.
800-659-7540. 800-659-7540. 800-659-7540. That's 800-659-7540.
Trying to understand Asia is like piecing together a giant jigsaw puzzle. 40 countries and more than 2,000 languages. Asia is home to some of the fastest growing economies, and it can be incredibly hard to cover this part of the world. So we're starting the Big Take Asia, a weekly news podcast from Bloomberg. I'm Juan Ha. I've been covering Asian news for more than a decade at Bloomberg. Listen to Big Take Asia every Wednesday, wherever you get your podcasts.
Join global business leaders and investors at the Bloomberg Sustainable Business Summit, returning to Singapore on July 31st. Take part in solutions-driven discussions on how to drive business value and unlock opportunities while remaining nimble in times of change and greater ESG accountability. Learn more at bloomberglive.com/sustainablebiz-singapore. That's bloomberglive.com/sustainablebiz-singapore.
Bloomberg Radio, on demand and in your podcast feed.
On the latest edition of the Bloomberg Surveillance Podcast, Sophia Drossis of 0.72.
Is it a normal July? I don't think summers are ever normal. Summers are usually characterized by less liquidity, less news flow, but this is a different summer, right? We have a lot of headlines to react to, and market positioning has been relatively concentrated and sensitive to these headlines. So when you see one asset class move, you can see correlations across others as well.
Inflation. Where are we in terms of fighting inflation? Where's the Fed in terms of fighting inflation, do you think?
So I think the Fed's probably breathing a sigh of relief. This turned out really well considering we were flirting with double-digit inflation not too long ago. I think the Fed is definitely taking comfort from the fact that the disinflation has reasserted itself. So after a bumpy path the first few months of the year, inflation's back on the downtrend. Fed's feeling pretty good.
77 handle on oil.
I hate this fucking steak.
So, again, does that suggest that September rate
fall
cut is in the cards?
For me, it does. I think that the case is definitely building there. And I think what's important for investors to keep in mind is that inflation's coming off, and this is sufficient for the Fed to start dialing back the amount of policy restraint it has delivered to the economy. It's not cutting because the economy is weakening. It's recalibrating the amount of restraint needed because the supply side is doing some of the work for the Fed.
Hear the full conversation on the latest edition of the Bloomberg Surveillance Podcast. Subscribe on Apple, Spotify, and anywhere else you get your podcasts. Plus, listen anytime on the Bloomberg Business app and Bloomberg.com. 3:40 on Wall Street. We do check markets all day long here at Bloomberg, roughly 20 minutes away from the latest numbers out of both Tesla and Alphabet. Stocks now trading mixed. The Dow change, S&P in the red, Nasdaq. Let's head right to the breaking news desk for today's afternoon call. Here it is,
Thank you, Dr. Charlie. As you said, stocks are mixed amid one of the busiest days for this earnings season. The Dow is down 5 points, S&P lower by 10, with the Nasdaq rising 30 points. The U.S. 10-year yield is 4.24%, and small caps are up 15. 8 of the 11 main S&P sectors are trading higher, led by gains in materials and consumer discretionary, while energy and utilities are providing the biggest drags. Nasdaq Rosdex are little changed. Transports are down 210
What are you
points.
looking at?
Semis are
I'm
down
allowed to be
1%,
here.
while the VIX is lower by 6.5%. Leaders the Dow, Boeing, Amazon, and American Express, while Disney, McDonald's, and Chevron are the worst performers. On the earnings front, UPS is on pace for its worst day ever after profits fell well short of estimates. GM fell 6% after pushing back the opening of an EV pickup truck plant and the debut of a Buick fleet. Spotify surged to a 3-year high after record profit and strong subscriber growth, while Kimberly-Clark fell 5% after quarterly sales trailed estimates. Wrapping things up, earnings keep on rolling after the bell, Charlie, with Tesla, Visa, and Google all slated to report. Live from the first one breaking news desk, I'm Bailey Lippill. Charlie.
All right, we take a early spin. It will be all over Tesla and Alphabet as those numbers drop off from Bloomberg into here. Live breaking news over your Bloomberg. Type SQUA, SQUA, on your Bloomberg terminal. I'm Charlie Pellet, and that is a Bloomberg Business Flash. On Bloomberg Radio.
What do you say, Carol? TikTok?
Ready? I'm pretty ahead. I'm thinking a lot about some of the earnings after the closing bell. This is a big week for earnings.
Tesla, Alphabet, what's the plan?
Yeah, I mean, yes. But it's just what we're talking about, a third of the S&P market cap this week expected to report. And I just think, Dina Martin was talking yesterday, has finally regained, and numbers have been coming in really strong.
Don't forget about Texas Instruments, too.
Texas Instruments, yep. Going to be a little bit of a sector, always so important, different aspects to it. But having said that, we're early in the game, so what's big mega cap tech names have to say really, really important.
Let's see what Jimmy Lee has to say about that. He's founder and chief executive officer at the Wealth Consulting Group. They got more than $5 billion in assets under management. Usually he's in Las Vegas, but he's here gracing us with his presence in New York City in the Bloomberg Interactive Brokers studio. Sorry about the rain today. It's okay. Sometimes it happens. Okay. Sometimes it happens. I know it doesn't happen in Las Vegas, but sometimes it happens here in New York. Let's start with big tech. How are you watching what we hear from a third of the market cap of the S&P 500 this week to sort of define this stuff for the summer?
Well, as we've talked about before this year, we've been bullish on tech going into rate cuts, and I could not have predicted that we're going to have a run in the Mag 7 and some of the big tech stocks that we've seen, so far this year. So it's been a huge run, but we started to see now, as in the last 10 days, a little bit of a rotation right out of the big tech trade and into other areas of the market that really haven't participated as much, such as small cap stocks, even overseas stocks, some of the more cyclical sectors that are going to benefit maybe from a lower interest rate environment, which is how we're positioned. And so
So you've been moving into these other areas.
yeah, in April when we did our rebound, we
type treasury at some point, not 5.5 as people were fearing back then.
Right.
And cyclical sectors. So we're long on financials, industrials, still like tech, but I think that investors are going to feel as with fresh cash that it's a little expensive to go into some of these names now.
So, okay, so what if like Alphabet comes out and they blow away the numbers? Do you rethink it again? Which I feel like we've had this scenario over and over again where everybody says enough with kind of the big tech names, look elsewhere only for them to kind of outperform.
Well, I would say that big tech has actually backed it up with big earnings, right? So most of the earnings came in the first quarter from those big companies, but that's supposed to be different in the second half of this year. So it's supposed to broaden out the earnings expectations of the marketplace, and I think that's what's going to happen. So do you go back into tech on the dip maybe, on some of these sell-offs?
When the Nasdaq 100 down 4% last week, would you have been buying on that pullback?
Well, people were buying, and I think naturally those companies get a bid just because of all the money going into systematic investment programs and all the index products.
Yeah.
So they're going to get their fair share of buying regardless. That being said, I think investors actually need to be cautious. I mean, think about 2022. Those group of companies went down a lot in percentage, and I think that's one of the reasons why they've come up so much since the lows of October 2022. But one of the statistics that we follow is how much money is going into the different asset classes, equities, fixed income, and cash. And since October of 22 on the low, more money has come out of stocks, out of equities, and mutual funds and ETFs than gone in, which is fascinating, right? So all the statistics that we always talk about as advisors, the average investor always getting a small fraction of the return of the actual investments that they own, it's because of market timing or fear or panic, and this happened again. So 2023 and so far this year has been a huge bull market that many investors have not participated in.
What would you say to those investors who haven't participated? Time to get off the sidelines?
Well, I mean, again, I think...
Or do they miss?
I think diversification is important, so I wouldn't say go chase, right? So I know a lot of us as advisors get a lot of phone calls about why don't we have more in the video or certain companies are in the news have gone up so much, but I think investors really need to be cautious at this point. So if you've been invested, or even if you're out of the market and you're trying to get back in, I don't think it's a smart idea to try to chase these returns of the ones that have gone up the most. Still being diversified and maybe a little bit more boring if you're going to participate in equities is the way to go. I think an easier trade actually is fixed income. So as I said, with what we think is going to happen with interest rates, you get a nice yield on a fixed income portfolio and maybe some of the money back that you've lost in the last several years on the net asset values of the bonds.
Is that a smart play or a cautious play?
I think it's actually a pretty smart play because of the way the market's rallied so much this year already that we could go a little sideways, could get volatility with the election and with geopolitics, and who knows what's going to happen. And so I think that there's probably as much upside in fixed income probably as there might be in equities right now. For the remainder.
Oh, I hate to see I'm not law enforcement. People do whatever the fuck they want here. Police, huh? Who cares about the police? I sure don't. They told me they don't care. And I had my car lit on fire a couple months ago. Yeah, we don't care. Fucking yeah, this police department sucks. I would never live here. I wouldn't work here either. See, I'm no law enforcement. Fuck them. Oh, for some reason Bluetooth's off.